Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can log into Metro Bank's online banking. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an update. So let's get started. So first you go to your browser, then you go to Google, and then you search for Metro Bank. So once you do that, you go to Metro Bank Online. And now over here on the top, you see the option to log in. And you'll click on the type of account you have. Is it personal banking or business and commercial banking? So if it's personal banking, you'll click on personal banking and then you'll be brought onto this. So once you're brought onto this new page, you will enter your 12-digit customer number over here. And once you do that, you'll click on continue, and then another page, you'll have to enter your password, and then you'll be logged in and you'll be good to go. But if you've not yet registered or signed up for online banking, you're going to have to do that first, and we have another video showing you how to do just that. But if you're just looking to log into your online banking, this is how you do it. And I hope this video helps you guys. And don't forget to leave a like if it did. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.